In today's episode, we're going to be building a Beetle spin. The classic old faithful Beetle spin. So typically what a Beetle spin is a wire that's wrapped one time here, I believe, from what I've seen. It's got a leg coming here and a leg going up here. And then it's wrapped up here. It's got a split ring usually. And then the split ring's on a swivel, which is this. And then you put another loop here. And it usually has a spoon. Just not a big one, just enough to get the attention of a panfish or a bass or something. Something of that nature. And then down here, I'm gonna carve out a piece of wood. Oh, and put a wire tie on it. Hook it onto this. This is gonna have another deal. And it's gonna have a wire tie here. It's gonna be a bait fish of some sort. Put an eye on it. Some kind of holographic. And then I'm just gonna tie a split ring, or I'm gonna put a split ring on with the treble hook. The smallest treble hook I can find. And that's basically gonna be it. I'm gonna take some spring wire. I got this off Amazon. It's hardwire spring wire. I'm gonna try to hold it right there. Bullet just got something in his throat. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this with my hands or not. This stuff's really tough. It's not the easiest thing to work with. Trying to keep it straight. There we go. Something like that. I need to bend it more this way. Come on, baby. Oh, dude, it's perfect. Now I need to make one here long enough. Just don't want to mess it up. I feel like I need to wrap this around the actual wire itself somehow. Yeah, something like that. I'm just taking these wire snips and cutting the excess off. Now I'm going to repeat this on this side. I'm actually taking the vise and like flattening out these rings I made. Let's see if I can do this one real quick. Just making it nice and straight. Look at that. Oh, it didn't come out good at all. Not like I wanted it. Ah, it's terrible. Memorial Day weekend and the guy out here mowing. Poor dude. This is far from perfect. That should do. So I have this mini ball peen hammer, and I have this little hammer. All I'm gonna do is try to get started. And oh, this bit's too big. There we go. Should take nothing. Found a nice little small piece of wood lingering around. It was this big, and I just took the knife and split it. It doesn't need to be that big. I can't talk. Basically, I'm just going to take these edges off and then just sand it down and make a nice little ball, a wooden ball. Yeah. Yeah. Very drastic right there. Didn't mean to do that. Oh, it worked out. Looks pretty good, actually. Don't look bad. Oh, let's go. Man, I thought I was recording. So instead of using the drill bit, I just used a needle. I just took this needle and I forced it in here like this. Just real carefully pushed it in, because the drill bit will risk splitting it. It's so tiny. So yeah, that's what I did. And I already pre-made some wire, some twist wire. And they fit great. So I just need to put 2 of those in. Take some of this super glue and put some on this twist wire. I don't know if it works or not, but it's just the holes are so tiny. I was gonna put baking soda in here, but I don't know. I guess I still could. Where's my baking soda at? Right here. Just sprinkle a little on there. It makes a mess, but I need that. I need it to be strong. Okay, now I can seal it. It's gonna seal it with the glue. If I can. This stuff's got goopy all of a sudden. Yeah, it feels pretty goopy. And that should conclude the build, basically. It'll take a lot of paint to paint this lure. Oh, nothing. What you got going on? Yeah, I was making a little lure. What you got going on? Just putting some black on here so the sticker stands out real good. It's a booger.
It's a booger.
Yeah, it's gonna be a beetle spin.
Beetle, yeah. Oh.
Okay. While I'm waiting for that to dry, and I'm putting the split ring on here. I'm gonna put the swivel on. I don't want to miss it. I want to show you all how I'm doing it. Let me put a swivel on. Hopefully I can get it in there. Got it. First go around. These split rings are pretty tricky sometimes. The smaller you get, the harder they are. These little pliers are worth their weight in gold for when you're doing that. Now I can put a smaller split ring right here and then put the old aluminum spoon on there. I think I might have got it. I wonder if it would have been easier to put the spoon on first. I don't know. Sometimes it's easier to put like the thing on it first and then put it on here. I think I can get it. I think we can do it. Yeah, we can do it. No problem. Maybe. Just about got it. It wasn't easy, but I got it. Come on, baby. Oh my gosh, I got it. Look at that beauty. It's a thing of beauty right there. All right, let's finish up this. Oh, and with this little tiny wooden bait, I'm just gonna put the sinkers right on the wire itself. Look at this stuff. That's some shiny stuff. I'm just cutting out. See if I can do it on camera. It's cutting really tiny rings out like this. I can't do it. Dang it. Can't even see. She ain't perfect, but let's stick that right on that lure. These little stickers are not easy to. Ugh, had a hard time. Dude, it went on there perfect. I'm gonna put the eye on there. Make sure y'all can see what the heck I'm doing. That is a tiny eye. It's looking good. Should catch some fish. You gotta mix this stuff up really good. I didn't mix it up a couple times, I guess not stir it up good enough, and it makes the lure tacky. This right here is a size 18 treble hook. I'm gonna put it on here. I'm gonna throw a couple of weights right here so it keeps it down because there's no weight in the wood. I'm gonna walk over across the street and test this thing out. Freaking clouds just like came out of nowhere. We made it to the testing site. Somebody put some country music on for me. Alright, the moment of truth. Hope it works. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. Oh, it works beautifully, dude. Dude, the thing's even like swimming. Oh, never mind, it was caught. This was swimming. No way. This was moving back and forth. Dude, it works good. Dude, it does. It moves back and forth. The wood piece moves back and forth. I've never seen that. What? This thing works freaking great. I'm so stoked. Dude, the wood piece has action too. That's wild. It's a double action thing. This is a cool lure, man. I can't wait to take it to Lake Okeechobee. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. That's a huge little shell. He ain't even scared. He ain't scared at all. I think I might have finally found some fish for the beetle spin. Damn. Oh. Couldn't find the shell crackers, but I found the Mayan cichlids. I thought I did. There he is. Oh my, oh, he came off. Gosh, that was another giant, man. Holy crap, they're huge. There he is. Good lord, they're huge Mayan cichlids. Look at that thing. Golly, dude, they got a mouth on them. go in the cooler. You'll drag out every freaking thing. Whew. The beetle spin works. The beetle spin catches them. You want it faster? No. Really? Yeah. Maybe they want it faster. Oh my gosh. Dude, these things fight hard. They're giant. They're big and on the beetle spin. Oh, he's barely hooked too. That makes two. Whoa, God, they're so strong. Oh, very strong fish. I'm glad I found some fish. Ooh. Oh, it was a bass. Guess my drag was a little too loose. Oh my gosh. This is solid, whatever it is. Oh, it's a big bass, dude. Dude, this is a big bass. Gosh. That's a good bass. Look at that thing. Holy shoot. Look at that. He exploded on it. Ow. Heck yeah, on the little beetle spin. Having a good old time now. I'm not keeping this sucker, we're putting him back. Just gotta make sure ain't no alligators. Alligators come and get him. There's a school out there. I just thought it was another one of the Mayan cichlids. Oh, my boat taking off? Pretty cool little spot, man. Right when I was saying that. What? Oh my gosh. Is it an Oscar? I think it's another cichlid. That's a pretty one. Kick him up there for a second. Oh, there's one. Little one. It counts. I don't know if I can get them out. I think I got 4. 3 really big cichlids and then one that's pretty small. But, oh, what a mess. I'm gonna sit back and have a cold drink. Ooh, it's hot. Kind of looking like it's gonna rain. Clouding up a little bit. The real reason I came out to Lake Okeechobee. Oh, there's one. Good Lord. Dude. These suckers fight so hard. Oh, alligator. It's not even a big one. He's a good sized one. I was trying to say, because I can't speak apparently, is that the reason why I came out to Lake Okeechobee was to catch shellcracker on this thing. But man, I couldn't find them to save my life. Alright, let's get out of here. Starting to look a little boogery. It changed that fast. Get back to the boat ramp. Whoo-wee, just got back. I ended up with 5 Mayan cichlids. Pretty nice too. Gotta get these suckers cleaned up, but man, that was a long day. I mean, I woke up at what time did I wake up this morning? 6 o'clock. I left at 6:30, and I just got back. It is like 5:30 right now. I'm actually gonna put the camera down, take a break. Got a lot of sun today, and yeah, it was fun though. I'm glad I found those Mayan cichlids and caught that bass, because I didn't think it was gonna happen. Just pulling up to the new spot. I hear there's a quail whistling right out here. Hear him? Seen 3 hen turkeys and several deer. I think there was a group of 3, and then I saw a doe and a fawn by themselves. Gotta walk down that road right there and go to the creek. I'm gonna get all dressed up, put some long sleeves on, because the deer flies have been terrible down at the creek here. So we're gonna head down that way and see if the fish are biting. Hopefully they are. Stuff is called patchouli. It's like an essential oil. My aunt said that it keeps it'll keep the deer flies at bay. Bonkers. So we're just now entering the tree line. It's already cooled off. It's pretty back here. Interesting. Man, it feels like mystical back here right now. This place is wild. Where's the creek? So cool. These cypress heads are so big. Cypress knees. Freaking giant, man. Alligator. See how close I can get to him. Oh, he's starting to move now. Is this the creek? Oh, there's another one. I see another one slipping up in there. Why I didn't bring Bullet? That's for sure. There's gators everywhere in here, dude. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, look at all of them. There's gators everywhere. They're all up and down this thing. Holy cow. There's one right here. Look at all of them. Dang. What a crazy place. That's one. He ain't even scared. None of these gators are scared. They're trying to eat me. Oh my gosh, I've never seen so many gators. The whole creek's moving. This is wild, dude. I'm 100% happy I didn't bring Bullet on this one because there's a gator everywhere you look. I mean, everywhere you look. A little bit. I gotta get this thing free or else I lose the challenge. I got it back. Dude, these gators are way too friendly, man. I think I'm gonna move down out of this alligator hole. I brought some live worms too, just to kind of test the waters. See if there's any fish here. Should be. Oh, there's something. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Look at that giant stomp knocker. That is a big old stomp knocker. Oh man, he's strong. That's a freaking beauty. That's what we came here for. These and warmouth perch. I'm gonna whip out the stringer. I actually bought a stringer off of Amazon finally. It was a journey to get back here, but it's gonna be so worth it. Oh, shoot. I mean, you're allowed to keep 50 of these here in Florida. 50 bluegills. Panfish. Ouch. All right. Put that there somewhere. All right, let's go back to the beetle spin. Hopefully I'll be able to catch something and not get hung up. There he was. Holy crap. Why is my rod right here? That's a nice fish. There he is. Freaking nice. Stomp knocker. That's a bigger one. How did you get hung up like that? This is a very wild place and I love it. Honey drippers. He's little. He's tiny. That's a nice one. He'll keep. This one will keep. Ouch. Three stump knockers. Nice. I don't know how this happened, but okay. I just moved down the creek with the truck. Check out this spot, that's pretty sweet. You can pull right down to the creek here. Oh, I think I'm gonna take a break and cook some lunch. Maybe I'll go explore down this creek. Some places you can walk down and see if we can find some warmouth perch. I only caught stop knockers. Stop knocker taco. Oh man, I'm starving. Smash these down, we're gonna walk down the creek. Some fish right here. That's a nice one. It's another red breast. Gotta keep my eye open for that gator. It's like people have been feeding them here or something. He can't stand it. Golly. A little small. Oh, shell carker. That's a good freaking, that's a good shelly right there. Be eating good tonight. I think I'm just gonna wrap up the episode here. I did catch a few more. Nice shellcrackers and bluegill and red breast, warmouth. But yeah, I lost that dang spoon on my beetle spin. And that was a far hike back in that one spot. I'm happy I was able to catch some stop knockers on it though. I came back here looking for warmouth, but that's okay. I'm catching a few now. But I just switched over to the worm and I don't know, just kind of left it at that. But hope you all enjoyed the video and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out the Will Gore Outdoors YouTube channel where I have a bunch of videos just like this. Don't forget to click subscribe so you can see new videos that I post. And the next time you do see me, we will go outdoors. Hit that bell button to get notified, and thanks for watching.